Today is the day. Finally, Meyer lemon harvest. The only problem with this is called monocropping when you have all of the same thing is that they're all basically ready at the same time. So I don't want to pick them all at the same time because when you do refrigerate citrus, it does lose some of its flavor. So I'm actually going to go through and I'm going to try to find the ones that are the softest and only pick those that are really truly ripe. So these two here have quite a bit of give to them. So I'm going to go ahead and pick them off. Maybe I should have brought my clippers. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but there's some give in my hand when I squeeze it. You know, if you ever pick citrus at the store, you don't want a handball. You're looking for something that is decent. So there's two. There. Some more. I think this one's also the most ready. You have to be careful with lemons because the trees have stickers. They have thorns, like longer thorns than roses. So anyway, lemon harvest. Yay! What I've been doing is I've been taking a big squeeze of agave syrup and then the juice of one lemon into a pitcher of water, and I've been making lemonade every day. It's really the easiest way for me to get all of my water. All right, nice to see you.